Hello everyone. Today we'll learn that how to make a copy of your Google form. Because these days, if we'll talk about schools, then all the teachers are busy in taking exams or test papers. For that, most of the teachers are using Google Forms, right? And if one teacher is taking more than one subject or more than one classes, then he or she has to make so many papers. And we all know that some of the credentials in all the test papers are common. Okay, so what we can do is we can prepare our one paper with all the proper settings, and then after making a copy of it, we can save our time by not writing the common things again and again, and we just can do the changes that we want. So let's see how to do it. For that, we need to go to our Google Drive. Here it is. Here you have to open wherever you have saved your test paper, whichever you made. And suppose all my papers are here in this folder. My papers are here in this folder, so I'll click on it. Here I have done. And I want to make a copy of this paper. So I'll click on it. After clicking it, you can see here my paper is opening. It will take a while. Yes, it's opened. So this is the paper. These things are common after making one paper. हम ऊपर की चीज़ें या क्लास या सब्जेक्ट इनको लिखने में इतना टाइम नहीं लगता. Then the student's name. Then after we have to make space for each question जो हम लोग प्लस क्लिक करके हम लोग स्पेस बनाते हैं. तो इन सब चीज़ों में बहुत सारा टाइम लग जाता है, right? So what we have to do is we can make its copy. Click on it, and here are 3 dots on the top. Okay, so click on these 3 dots. We will get an option of make a copy. Click on it. This window will open, and for this window you can either change the name, you can change the name here. Suppose I'll do it maths. Okay, and then click on OK. If you'll do this, here you can see that one paper is opened with the name maths. जो मेरा previous paper था उसमें यहाँ DAV Public School लिखा था, but now here it is written maths, यानी कि this is my copied paper. Now we have to make the changes. Suppose the changes that we'll do, I'll change the class here. I'll do it 10th. I'll change the subject. Suppose it is maths. Okay. Then other things are common. We need not to change them again and again. Then all the settings of the questions are already done. We just have to change our question and then its options. So click on the question and then change it. Okay, it is done. So my question is prepared. My second paper, the changes that I wanted to do, I have done. Clear? Now go back one step, again go back one step. So here is refresh it once. जहाँ पर भी आपके papers थे, refresh it once, and then you can see that I have first opened this paper and then I made its copy with the name of maths, and here it is. So now I'll open it. You can see here I have changed it. We have to wait for a while. Yes, I have changed the class. So here the class is changed. It's 10th. I have also changed the subject. It is also done. And I have just written something at the place of first question. That is also same. Fine. It means जो मैंने changes किए थे, those changes are saved in my copied paper. अब कुछ लोगों को डाउट रहता है कि जब हम चेंज करते हैं तो जो हमारा पहला पेपर होता है वो भी चेंज हो जाता है, बट ऐसा नहीं है. सो लेट्स सी कि क्या मेरा पहले वाला पेपर भी चेंज हुआ है. मेरा पहला पेपर था ये. I'll open it. It will take a while. Yes, it's opened and you can see कि जो मैंने चेंजेस वहाँ किए थे वो मेरे इस पेपर में नहीं हुए. मैंने वहाँ क्लास 10th चेंज की थी, बट हेयर इट इज़ क्लास 9th. मैंने वहाँ सब्जेक्ट चेंज किया था, बट हेयर इट इज़ सेम. After that, you can see that my first question is also same. So in this way, we can make the changes after making a copy of our Google form. And of course, it will help us a lot to save our time. I hope, friends, that all the things are clear to you all, but still, if you have any doubt, please feel free to ask. Thank you and have a good day.